Okay, so I want to demonstrate how here in Unreal Engine, when I try and play with my character, I have this architecture that I basically want them to enter, and there is no way for them to enter. They can literally walk on this blank space on the top of the house, which is absurd. And then I try to enter. No, that's not possible. There's even over here at the back, this is totally unexposed. So you'd think you'd be able to just enter? No, not possible. You can't go there. And obviously big gaping windows, spaces and stuff. Yeah, perhaps you shouldn't be able to get in. So this issue is again to do with the collisions. And I found that the way to fix this is if you go to the content drawer and you go to that specific object, because like for some reason when I double click it, it just brings me this. I don't know why. I want to actually affect that. So I go into the where it's located, I edit that. We're here under the static mesh editor. I can then instead decide to go and change the collision settings here. And from the collision complexity, changing it from the project default, it's using the complex collision as simple. So that way, if we show the complex collision, it's going to like map onto directly that, whereas a simple collision is the one on the outside. So using, instead of being simple, complex, we use that complex geometry, which instantly fixes the problem, where I can then go inside and run around the apartment. And then I should even be able to jump on top and get in. Woo! Yeah, and jump out windows and whatever is necessary, if I can fit through. But at least it's fixed and I can enter the building.